now that we have Pip Juice on our trading view chart, I'm gonna show you how to use it and how you're gonna use it to trade every day. First thing we want to do is scroll over here to on the left and right click. And this first tool that we're gonna add is the fib retracement, and we'll go and click on the star there. And then the next one, we're gonna go down to this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth box here. And we'll right click and we'll star next to long position and we'll star next to short position. And that'll put those tools on our little toolbar here. How this indicator works is it gives you, oops, let me delete that. It gives you your pending buy orders and your pending sell orders. And we're gonna mark up our chart so we can set up our trades, and then I'll show you how to take a pending order. I'm gonna do it on BTC to USD because that's the only thing that's open right now at the time that I'm creating the video, but we will technically be doing this on gold. And you'll need to make sure that you're on the gold chart by double clicking it here, and then you'll see. And then also making sure if it's 7 a.m. if you're doing it the 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. time frame, then you need to double click on this and make sure that you're on the New York session. Or if you're doing it from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. time range, then you need to make sure that you're on the Asian session. But we're going to go ahead and put it on New York for this example. And then, so first thing we want to do is for our buys, we're going to do a long position, and we're going to click on it, and then we'll take the line and we'll put it right on this buy stop entry. All right, then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use our fib retracement tool. You'll click it, you'll put it on the chart, and you'll drag the 0 to the buy stop entry and drag the 1 to the buy stop loss right here. And also to set this up, I forgot, because when you add it, it's gonna have a bunch of stuff on it. So when you add it, double click it, and then for the first one, we want to have that at 0, and click in the box and select white. And then this fourth one here, that should be set to 1. We want to click in the box and set that white. And then also the second one here, that needs to be at 0.5, and we're going to click that and change that to red. And anything else that's highlighted on this box that's checked, you can uncheck those. We only need these 3 set up. Then for the trend line, we can set that to purple. And then the levels, you can change the thickness. I like mine to be thick and then extend to the right. And you can click on extend to the right, this, and then click OK. And then it should look like this. Now we'll go and we can drag the box, we can drag that to TP1. And then for our stop loss, we're going to drag this down to the red line here. And now our trade is set up. So now if we double click on this, we'll have our entry price, our take profit price, and our stop loss price. And now we're going to take this entry price, 67889, and we'll come over to here. It'll look like this when you come to it. Click on this little arrow right here on the right, and we'll make sure that we're on buy, and then we'll put the price in there. And then we'll click on the take profit box. It'll look like this when you come to it. We'll click on take profit, and we'll go back and we'll take the price from here and then paste it there. Then we'll take the stop loss price and we'll click on stop loss and then put the price in there. And then we should have already went and done our lot size calculation for the day, but let's just go run back and do it real quick. My account size on this demo is 10,832, I believe, and I like to play it on the safe side, so my lot size is going to be 0.13. I'm gonna put 0.13 in here, and then I'll click on buy stop. And I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm way out of the time range, but click on buy stop and that pending order would show up here. And what happens if it hits that price, then it'll switch over to positions and you'll see it open under positions. All right, now let's do our second one, and we'll do our sale. And we're gonna come and click the second one here and click on short position, and we're gonna place that on the sale entry. And then we're gonna drag this one down to our take profit. It's actually already there. And now we're gonna drag this down to take profit 1 here. And then drag the stop loss up to the top of the range here. And then this is where we're gonna set our stop loss, the red line here. And then we'll double click on it. That'll open it up. That's how we'll copy our entry price. As this time where we would already have this trade we would already have this trade set up. So we would come and click the arrow again, open this up, then put in the price. So that's the entry price. And then we'll take our profit price, our take profit price, and we'll put take profit. And then we'll take our stop loss price. And set it there, and then we click on sell stop. And now we have our pending orders in for the New York session. And when it hits, I'm gonna actually put this one in. I'll put this one in just so you can see what happens. So shows up under pending, and whichever one it takes, you're gonna come in here and you're gonna cancel out the other one. So if it hits the price and the trade activates, there'll be one out of the 2 trades that you set up, there'll be one left under pending, and then you'll just come here and click on cancel pending order. That's pretty much what you need to do to manage the trade. So whichever one doesn't fire off, you'll need to come in here and cancel the pending order for that particular trade. And that's it, guys. That's how you use the indicator. Fairly simple, easy to use. Not a whole lot of guessing. You're just doing your setup here and copying and pasting the values from one place to another. I might do a more in-depth video on this, but this is all we need for now. All right, guys. Peace.